Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing Safari and your account. Open Safari and sign into YouTube with your Google account so cookies are set. This avoids repeated logins. Once done, tap the share icon at the bottom of Safari. Scroll and choose Request Desktop Site. This first action switches the page layout to desktop. Make sure to keep the address bar visible and not in private mode, because desktop rendering needs normal cookies and site data enabled. Now continue by confirming the desktop layout and navigating like on a computer. After requesting the desktop site, reload the page if elements look broken. Safari sometimes delays rendering. Once the desktop UI appears, you can tap your profile, access Creator Studio, or open advanced menus. Those controls are the reason you chose desktop. If a menu opens weirdly, pinch to zoom or rotate to landscape. That often reveals hidden buttons. To finish, finalize actions like changing channel settings, uploading, or managing comments within the desktop interface. Use landscape orientation for the full 16:9 layout. It exposes panels and buttons that hide in portrait. When you're done, close the tab to return to mobile view. If something goes wrong, like pages reverting to mobile, clear Safari cookies or toggle Request Desktop Site off and on, or restart Safari. That usually resets the rendering and keeps your signed-in session intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.